quantity. The quantity which we study in physics is known as physical quantity. In this physical quantity, there are two types: fundamental and derived. What are these fundamental and derived? Fundamental quantity is nothing but the quantity, the physical quantity, which it is dependent on its own self is known as fundamental quantity. There are 7 fundamental quantities. They are length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, electric current or electricity, and amount of substance. Amount of substance. These 7 are fundamental quantities. Length is nothing but meter, centimeter, and height of a building, breadth of a slope. Like this, length it will come. Mass is nothing but the mass of certain thing. It is nothing but 400 grams of dal or red gram or black gram. That comes under mass. Time. Duration. Time. Suppose you have been come to a park at 10 o'clock morning, and you left at 12 o'clock afternoon. Then it is called. Then in this between duration is 2 hours. Then it comes under time. Temperature is nothing but when you get a fever, your mother or father says, or anybody says, or doctor says, you have 100 Fahrenheit temperature, and that is temperature. And luminous intensity. Luminous intensity is nothing but light. How much power you have been consumed with light. It will be come in candelas. Electric current. When you get an electricity bill, then it comes 3,360 rupees or like that. Then they will be written in down for 40 units or 50 units like that. Then it comes under electric current. Amount of substance. This amount of substance is normally used in chemistry. It means molecules like that. Now derived. What is this derived physical quantity? Derived physical quantity is nothing but the physical quantity which depends on fundamental physical quantity is known as derived physical quantity. For example, area. Suppose your house area is 1050 meter square. From where this meter square have been come? Meter into meter. From where this meter have been come? Length. And now let us discuss about units. we know the physical quantity, but in one place there will be said in one unit. So unit is nothing but the standard value of a physical quantity is known as unit. Or in one word answer, standard value of physical quantity. Now in this units there are three systems. They are CGS, FPS, MKS. What are these CGS, FPS, MKS? These are the standard value in one country for each quantity. They are length, mass, time. And for CGS there is centimeter, gram, second. Now for FPS, foot, pound, second. Now when we come under MKS, meter, kilogram, second. In this three, what you have been found common? Second. Second is nothing but the standard unit of time. Now for these three, they have become a common thing. That before, I will say one small thing, that is in olden days, CGS is used in some countries like America, like that. Foot pound second is used in Russia, like that. MK is used in India and other countries. So for these three, they have become a common one, that is SI. SI units. What are these SI units? The International System of Units. The International System of Units have been declared as for length standard value is meter, and for mass kg or kilogram, and for time seconds. And now let us discuss about multiples and submultiples. Multiples and submultiples. What are these multiples and submultiples? Before I said centimeter, kilogram, like that. If you go to a race also, they will see also milliseconds also. So where are these milli, kilo, centi have been come? Let us discuss. Multiples is nothing but for anything which have 10 power positive index is known as multiples, or suppose 10 power plus 3. Submultiples is nothing but which have negative power, 10 power minus 2, like that. 10 power 2 hectare, 10 power 3 kilo, 10 power 6 mega, 10 power 9 giga. Why there is no 10 power 4, 10 power 5 means nothing but 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. It have been come at 3. Next 6. You have to follow one thing. 1 into 2. Sorry. Now if we go to submultiples, 10 power minus 1 deci, 10 power minus 2 centi, 10 power minus 3 milli, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 6 micro. And these are submultiples. Now where we will use is this decameter, decagram, centimeter, milligram, microorganisms. These all will come in all quantities. Now let us do some problems. Problem before some of the concept I have to say. And now area of regular surfaces. Area of regular surfaces is nothing but square, rectangle. For this all area of regular surfaces we will use. Suppose your home has in a square shape. So the side of your home is 15 meters or 45 meters. Now you have to find the area of your home. Area formula is side into side, that is equal to side square. Here what we said, 45 meters is side. So what will say, area equal to 45 into 45, that is equal to 25 meters square. Now area of regular we understood, but what is for area of irregular? Area of irregular is measured in graph paper. If you suppose kept your hand in your graph paper, you have to draw like this. Then it will be counted in boxes. In half box also it will be counted, but less than half it will be not counted. Now let us discuss about volume of regular. Volume of regular surfaces. As before I said, area of regular surfaces, volume of regular surfaces is also same, but there is a small change in volume of regular surfaces. For a cube it is meter cube. For a cuboid it is L into B into H. It is nothing but length into breadth into height. For sphere it is okay. Let us go to the another concept, that is volume of regular solids. What I am saying is that volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Now let us discuss about time. We all know this normally, but I am saying 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. That is 3600 seconds. 1 day equal to 24 hours. And what is the answer? You keep in comment box. And now let us discuss about some of the units. They are light year, fathom, these two. Light year is nothing but the light travel from the sun is called light year. It is nothing but the time taken from the light to travel from the sun. So fathom is nothing but 10 power minus 15 meters. And let us discuss problems in next video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. And to more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.